Let me show you how to set the up and down travel and force limits on your LiftMaster or Chamberlain garage door opener.
First, locate the up and down and adjustment buttons on the back of your opener's motor. Then we're going to press and hold the adjustment button, which is the one in the middle, and you're going to hold that until you hear a beep or until this button starts to flash a color. So I press and hold it, it beeps, it starts flashing. Now I'm going to press and hold the up arrow button until the door is adjusted to my desired up position. Press and hold. That's a little too far, so I'm going to move this down just a little bit. That's just about right. And you can use these buttons to adjust up and down as much as you want or need to. I adjusted mine up a little higher, but usually you want the door to be just a hair bit higher than the top of the opening. With that button flashing, I'm going to press the adjustment button again, and that's going to program the up limit. It's going to flash. Now the down arrow is flashing, so I can press and hold it to adjust the door down to my desired down position. I press and hold that until the door goes down to where I want it. And a special note on this, you want to make sure that you don't see any light under here, but you also want to make sure that your opener rail isn't bowing up too much either. It can bow up a little bit, but that's too much. That's about where I want it. Now that I have the door in the desired down position, I'm going to press the adjustment button again. Now the up arrow is going to blink again, and this is to set the force limits of how hard it will pull up and how hard it will push down. So once you press this again, it's going to adjust automatically and you don't have to hold it. So I'm going to press it again. Now it's bringing it up. Then it's going to flash down. So I'm going to push this, and then I'm just going to let it do its thing until it closes. So now I'm all set, and you'll notice that it stopped flashing.
And that's it. Now you've set your travel and your force limits for your LiftMaster or Chamberlain garage door opener. If you have any problems with your garage door or garage door opener, please contact us today. We can help.